Private dining has always been messy. Endless calls and emails, confusion around minimum spend and policies, risk of double bookings. Guests feel uncertain about what private really means. For restaurants, this is high value revenue, but it's operationally heavy. For guests, it's often frustrating. Welcome back to Digital Transformer Guy, the channel where we break down real-world use cases of AI, automation, and enterprise tech. In this video, we're diving into OpenTable's new private and group dining feature. It's much more than a convenience update. It's a case study in how AI plus automation can reshape industries. And for those of you aspiring to an AI or digital technology career, I'll also explain the level of effort required to bring solutions like this to the market, because it's not just code, it's architecture, governance, and human-in-the-loop design. Private dining has always been messy. Endless calls and emails, confusion around minimum spend and policies, risk of double bookings. Guests feel uncertain about what private really means. For restaurants, this is high value revenue, but it's operationally heavy. For guests, it's often frustrating. OpenTable launched a marketplace for private dining. Here's what it enables: discovery, search by group size, location, ambiance, and amenities. Availability, real-time holds and instant booking at select venues. Integrations, event tools like Triple Seat for syncing with restaurant calendars. Flexible workflows, instant booking or inquiry quote for complex events. And the good thing about this new UI is that behind it is a workflow transformation powered by AI and automation. So let's break it down. Behind the scenes, AI plus automation deliver Guest Intake Assistant. An AI bot extracts structured requirements from free text. Recommendation Ranker. Machine language models surface the best fit spaces with explanations like capacity fit or projector available. Rules and Constraints Engine. Deterministic checks for capacity, buffers, pricing, and cancellation policies. Express Quotes. AI-assisted drafts for packages and policies with human approval. Instant Booking. Two-phase commit. Hold. Payment authorization. Confirmed booking. Observability and reconciliation. AI anomaly detection for sync failures or double bookings. The balance? AI handles the friction. Humans oversee the trust-critical steps. This kind of solution isn't just about speed, it requires guardrails, deterministic boundaries for pricing and availability, human in the loop for custom menus, decor, or large events. Privacy protection with PII redaction. Explainability for recommendations and quotes. Without these, you risk losing guest trust and creating operational chaos. Now, let's talk about your career. When you see something like AI books a private dining room, it sounds simple, right? But for a solution architect, a product manager, or aspiring AI engineer, here's what it really means. You're designing microservices for intake, ranking, availability, and booking. You're building connectors to external systems, Triple Seat, POS, point of sale, and calendars. You're enforcing compliance and governance, GDPR, CCPA, consent logging. You're measuring KPIs, cancellation rates, quote SLAs, booking accuracy. You're coordinating human-in-the-loop processes so AI doesn't overstep. This is the level of effort enterprises pay for. Is it all just AI hype? Actually, it's engineering, operations, and trust. If you want to be a digital transformer in your career, this is the blueprint. OpenTable is proving a model that works beyond restaurants, healthcare for instance, surgical suite bookings, airlines, charter and group bookings, banking, boardroom consultations. Anywhere customers still pick up the phone, AI plus automation can step in. The lesson is simple. Automate 80% of the friction. Keep humans for the 20% that requires judgment and trust. Build explainability and governance from day one. That's how you deliver solutions that scale without breaking trust. So here's my challenge. Where are your customers still picking up the phone? How could AI make that instant and trusted? If you want more deep dives like this, hit subscribe, drop a like, and share this with someone building their digital transformation career. If you want to go deeper technically for your own IT projects, I created an enabler epic that includes an outline of features, user stories, and tasks for your own architecture runway that will support product backlogs and sprint backlogs. And check out Digital Transformer Guide for more strategies at the intersection of AI, cloud, and business value. And watch out for our upcoming ebook, Digital Treasure Trove for Enterprise Solution Architects. Take care.